Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a toilet paper holder. This is not my normal repertoire. However, I have been pining over this toilet paper holder since like August 2020. It was out of stock for a really long time and then it came in stock and I was going to buy it and realized the shipping from Denmark was over 50 euros, so well over $50. And I just couldn't justify paying that amount for something that should be light and small. So I'm making a copycat version of this toilet paper holder. I am also making a little hand towel holder that the same company produces because I was just gonna buy that as well, and obviously the shipping was still astronomical. I had lots of help on this project from my husband Rob, and the first thing we did was we cut our 3/4 inch oak dowel into two pieces, into a 3-inch piece and a 7-inch piece, both for the toilet paper holder. Next, we made a jig for our table saw to cut a slot into our smaller 3-inch dowel piece for the leather to go into. Then we moved on to our towel holder where we needed to cut a little slice out of the dowel. We then modified our jig so the dowel would run through the table saw offset from the center. Because the towel holder is so small, we cut it to length last. All of our cuts were really eyeballed at this point, but I think it turned out pretty nice. We inherited this drill press with the house, and here we're using it to pre-drill a hole into the towel nub. After that, we pre-drill a hole into the toilet paper holder where both of these are going to mount into the wall. Next, on each end of the 7-inch dowel, we drilled a 1/4 inch diameter hole for extra small button stud screws. We'll be using a nail to secure the leather piece to the top dowel of the toilet paper holder. To make this easier, we pre-drilled a hole. That was a lot of information in a short period of time, so I am going to be linking all the materials we used in the description below, and I will also be providing a blog post that goes into more detail on how we did this entire project. After sanding, I applied 2 coats of our wood floor finish, and in between each coat I did light sanding. Next, I cut our leather strip. It was a 1/2 inch wide by 14 inches long. We had to purchase a special 4mm buttonhole punch that works with the extra small button stud screws. We forgot to record the part where we epoxied the button stud screw backs to the 7-inch dowel, but that was done after it was sealed and sanded. I decided to apply a sealer to the leather so it would maintain its color throughout time. I ended up applying 2 or 3 coats of this. How to attach a toilet paper and towel holder to the wall was pretty tricky. We ended up sawing off the head of the screw that's currently being twisted into the dowel. If you remember, we already drilled a pilot hole into the back of the top dowel piece and the towel nub, allowing us to twist the screw in so easily. Ta-da! It's ready to be mounted to the wall. We mounted the towel and toilet paper holder the same way. First, we drilled a test hole to see if there was a stud, which in this case there wasn't, meaning we needed to install a sheetrock anchor. The last step was simply threading the towel holder into the sheetrock anchor. This became a little tricky at the end, but with some elbow grease, we got it to sit at the right angle. If you'd like to see how I made the towel I'm using here, I've linked the video above. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this toilet paper holder project. If you did, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when my next project is released.